Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix payment method declined on Uber Eats. So let's get into the video. So for some reason, if you had your payment method declined by Uber Eats, then what you can do, this may be simply because firstly, just recheck your payment details. So whatever you method you chose. So for example, if you're using a bank account or your net banking bank account or your card details, so just make sure that all the data or the details that you provided is valid and it's correct. So because that's obviously we are one of the main reason why the payment was declined. So if it's correct, then what you can do, you can try go to your app information. So click on the app and go to the app information here, and then scroll down and you will see storage option here. Click on storage option and then try to clear your cache. So try to clear your cache and then restart the app and then try again. This should mostly fix up the issue. And if you're still having issue with your payment declined, then it's best to contact your banking institution, because they might give you the proper and exact reason why this was declined, as the problem might be with them. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.